Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Code Seekers. In this video, we will solve some programming problems using arrays. The first one is to find maximum number in array. For this purpose, the procedure is first of all to take input size of array and then declare array of that size. Then take input elements in array and then initialize a variable max with array of 0. So the maximum number, this variable will be used to store the maximum value in the array. And then find maximum number using loop and just one condition. For example, here is the array. Among these 10 elements, the maximum number is 25. So let's start coding. Task is for you to find minimum number in the array. The procedure is same, just the condition will be changed. I hope you will solve this problem. For example, here is the array. The minimum number in the array is -5. And the next one is to find the average number in the array. Once again, it's really very easy. I will tell you how to solve it and you will solve it. Input size of array, declare array of that size. Take input in the array, initialize a variable average with 0. It must be float type. It must be float type because when we take average, the answer that we get may be in the points. The next one is to find average. How you can find average? For that purpose, the first thing is you have to find the sum of all elements, as we have done how to find sum of the all elements in the array in our first video. So using the same procedure, you can find the sum of all elements and then divide the sum by the size of array and you will find the average number. Task number 4 is to find all prime numbers present in an array. For example, here is an array. In this array, the prime numbers present are 13 and 3. So we have to print all prime numbers in the array. The answer for this array is 13 and 3. So let's start coding. last task for you. Modify the previous code to count total number of prime numbers present in an array. For example, here is an array. The total number of primes are 2. That is 17 and 3. I hope you will solve this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.